Hello students. Now we'll see one more example from practice set 3.3. Now this is the example. In an AP, sum of three consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. Find the three consecutive terms in it. Find the terms. Okay. Now hint is given. Assume that three consecutive terms in an AP are A minus D, A and A plus D. Okay. So we start solution like this. Assume that the three consecutive terms in an AP are A minus D, comma A, comma A plus D. Sometimes this hint may or may not be given in the examination. Okay, so you have to remember those three terms in an AP. Okay, now from first condition, what is that? In an AP, sum of three consecutive terms is 27. Their sum means addition, that is A minus D plus A plus D. This sum is equal to 27. So here minus D plus D get cancelled. A plus A, you will get 3A is equal to 27, and therefore A is equal to 27 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 nines are, and therefore A is equal to 9. Okay, say this is equation number 1. Okay, and second condition, their product is 504. From second condition, what is that second condition? Their product means A minus D into A plus D is equal to 504. Just put value for A. It is 9 minus D into 9 plus D is equal to 504. So you will get 9 minus D into 9 plus D is equal to 504. This 9 is in multiplication. On right hand side it comes in the denominator. Okay, so 9 minus D and 9 plus D, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B, and we know the formula for A plus B into A minus B. Yes, remember that formula. A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So it will be 9 square minus D square is equal to, just simplify here, 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45, 5 left, 9 six are 54. So you will get 56. So 9 square, it is 81, minus 56 is equal to D square, because this D square is negative. Right? When we take that term on right hand side, it will be positive. Okay, so 81 minus 56 will be 25 is equal to D square. 25 is equal to D square, and therefore D is equal to plus or minus square root of 25, that is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay, so therefore when A is equal to 9 and D is equal to plus 5, okay, first term is equal to A minus D, that is 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Then second term is equal to A, that is equal to 9, and then third term is equal to A plus D is equal to 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14. This is for first case. Now when A is equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 5, at that time first term is equal to A minus D is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus plus 5, that is equal to 14. After that second term is equal to A is equal to 9, and then third term is equal to A plus D, that is equal to 9 plus minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4, and therefore the required terms in AP are first 4, 9, 14, 4, 9, 14, and second pair is 14, 9, 4, 14, 9 and 4. So in this way we have to finish this example. Okay, now eighth example is given. This is also a star example. Okay, now eighth example is given. There are four, we have to find four consecutive terms, and those terms are given as a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d. Same two conditions are given, and simple conditions are there. Addition, we have to take addition of all the four terms, and then in second condition we have to take addition of third and fourth term. So by applying these two conditions, you will get two simultaneous equations in a and d. Just solve simultaneously, find the value for a and d, and find those consecutive four terms. Okay, that is the homework for you. Now last example we'll see from this exercise. This is also star example. This is the example. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. That we have to show. Okay, so we start solution like this. Let small a the first term and small d be the common difference. Therefore Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore ninth term is 0, that is given. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, so we put T9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. T9 ninth term is 0, so we put T9 is equal to 0, so you will get a plus 9 minus 1, that is 8d, and therefore you will get a is equal to minus 8d. Take this 8d on left hand side, it will be minus 8d. This is equation number 1. Okay, now 19th term. After that 19th term, for 19th term T19 is equal to a plus, in the formula for Tn just put n is equal to 19, so you'll get a plus 19 minus 1 into d, that is equal to a plus 19 minus 1, that is 18d, but a is nothing but minus 8d plus 18d. Okay, this is from 1. Okay, so minus 8d plus 18d, it will be different sign are there. You have to take subtraction. 18 minus 8, that is 10, and greater number sign. So this is the value for T19 is equal to 10d. This is equation number 2. And for 29th term will get T29 is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 into d, that is equal to, value for a is minus 8d plus 28d, that is equal to, how much it is? It is again different sign are there, so you will get 20d, and 20d we can write as 2 into 10d. Okay, that is equal to 2 into 10d. From equation 2, 10d is nothing but T19, so we put that value T19. This is from 2. Okay, and therefore T29 is equal to 2 times or twice the 19th term that we have to show. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example. So some examples are left from this practice set 3.3. Those examples you have to solve as a homework. Thank you.